Hi, welcome, I'm Sally. Thanks for coming to my channel again. Today I'm going to talk about using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a text-based which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response. Let's start. Open your browser with Google account login and search ChatGPT. Select the first option, which will bring you to OpenAI.com website, and click on Try ChatGPT. Actually, you can also download Chat mobile app, but I prefer to use web browser. To sign up, you simply select your Google account displayed on the screen. The website would want some information about you, you just input accordingly. It will also ask for mobile number for authentication with code. It also requests you to solve a simple puzzle to ensure you are a real person. You retrieve the code from your mobile SMS. Now, you are ready to use ChatGPT. As per screen shown, I can put in my questions, prompt, in the text box below and click on the arrow or just press Enter key. ChatGPT will then respond accordingly. You can just keep asking question in the text box. I can also instruct it to put the details into the format that I want. This is just some beginner tryout, let's explore. It is useful in our daily tasks if you are smartly make use of it. Use it for good only, and whatever responded by ChatGPT could be wrong or outdated, always validate the response. Hope this is helping you to start exploring this tool. Thanks for watching, please follow me.